Hi friends, and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my happy home. I'm so happy that you could stop by. In this video I'm going to share with you a simple and easy farmhouse style DIY. I saw on Pinterest these super cute wooden boxes, you guys. They had some different styles and they were all so cute as a centerpiece or just a planter in your decor. And the ones with the letters on this, like this one that says blessed, was so cute, you guys. I really fell in love with this. I wanted to create my own farmhouse style wooden box. So if you want to see how I create mine, then keep on watching. I had this simple wooden wine box lying around that I had left over from Christmas, so I thought I would use this for my farmhouse wooden box. For this project I am using this regular multi-purpose primer acrylic paint in the color white. I am using 2 coats of paint. Now that the paint has completely dried, I'm going to be using some black and brown acrylic paint to create a darker shade of brown to distress the box with. Now I'm going in with just a little bit of paint on my brush to create the distressed look. I'm not a big DIYer. I like to do projects that are simple and easy, but you of course can create this wooden box from scratch if that is what you prefer. You guys, even though I liked the brown distressed look, I thought it wouldn't fit my decor, so I went over it again with the white paint and created the distressed look with this gray paint, and I thought that would be so much better for my decor and what I am going for. And for this gray I used this structure paint in a cement look. I didn't want the box to have this plain look, so I'm cutting off a piece of sponge and I'm using these letters, this stencil with these letters, and I'm going to create the word blessed. Well, the first letter turned out to be too light, so I went back in and created a darker shade of gray. After I finished spelling out the word, I went back in for the B and gave it that extra darker color as well. And as you can see here, you guys, I didn't measure this out. I'm just eyeballing where I want the letters to be. And at the end you will see that they are just a little bit off-centered, but that is okay because this is a DIY after all and it doesn't have to be all that perfect. Now what are the odds, you guys? I found this perfect leather look placemat with gray on one and pink on the other side. Now I'm just measuring out a rectangular piece that I'm going to be using for the 2 handles on each side of the wooden box. Now you're not gonna see this on camera, but the handles didn't hold with the hot glue, so I went back in with nails and secured the handles with nails instead. Now you guys, this is the end result. I cannot believe how cute this turned out. I thought it was so perfect. And to be honest, I am so happy that I went back in with the gray instead of the brown, because this just fits my decor better. So yeah, this is how it turned out. And that's it for this simple DIY, you guys. How easy was it to create this beautiful planter from just a simple wine crate? Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that you can get some inspiration from it. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!